going?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're doing flower challenge. I don't want to do this. That's good enough. How about that much? Say no. No, you like. Well, okay, ready? Ready? Sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. It's stuck in my mouth. That's the most disgusting thing I've ever tasted. You got it on the flag. You're so. Ow! It's in my teeth. It's on my nose too. It's like white. I didn't get that much when I did with Kate. Oh my god, that was so much. I like put it in my mouth and like, yeah.